Hello friends, today I am sharing with you all the shortcuts of control key from A to Z. Complete shortcuts today I am sharing with you. So without wasting time, let's start. So our first shortcut key is basically it is the combination of control key and alphabet A. It is used to select all the content present in your screen. Suppose you are in a Microsoft Word and you want to select all the content of this page, then you can select a particular word and press control key along with alphabet A. So basically it will select all the content in your particular file. Or if you are in if you are in File Explorer and you want to select all the present folders and files, then simply click on a file, select it and press Ctrl A. So it will select all the files and folders currently present in your screen. Next shortcut है Control key along with the alphabet B. Suppose in Microsoft Word or in MX Excel or anything application, if you select particular word, you want to bold it, then you can use Control key along with the alphabet B. So this particular selected word will be bolded. Next shortcut is Control key along with the alphabet C. So this shortcut is basically used to copy the current content. You can copy the particular sentences, text in your screen, or you can also copy the files and folders in File Explorer. Simply click on the file or the folder you want to copy and then press Ctrl plus C. Here you can see I copied this FX home and again click on where you want to paste it. Then here I want to paste it. Here paste the particular folder. Here you can see FX home is copied and here I pasted it. Next shortcut is Control key along with the alphabet D. It is basically used to delete the particular file or folder. Here you can see in documents I want to delete this particular folder, then I can press Control key along with the alphabet D. So here you can see, ask me, are you sure want to move this folder to the recycle bin? Next shortcut is Control key along with the alphabet E. Next shortcut is Control key along with the alphabet E. It is basically used to open the search bar in your browser. If you are in File Explorer and if you want to search a particular file or folder, then you can press Control key along with the alphabet F. Then you will move to the search bar. Suppose if you are in Microsoft Excel and if you want to search a particular text, then you can press Control key along with the alphabet F. Then it will open Find and Replace window. Here you can find the particular word you want to replace and easily replace it. If you press Control key along with the alphabet G in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, then it will open a go to window. Here you can give the particular reference where if you want to go to in your particular file, then you will automatically move to that particular location according to your given reference. Next short key is Control key along with the alphabet H. Suppose if you are in Chrome and you press Control key along with the alphabet H, then it will move to the history of your particular browser. You can easily see your watched history of your Chrome by pressing Control with alphabet H. Next is Control key along with the alphabet I. Suppose I selected this text and you want to make it italic, then you can press Control key along with the I. You can see selected text will be italic. Next key is control with K. Suppose in your Microsoft Excel file or in your Microsoft Word file you want to insert hyperlinks, then this key is very useful for you. Just press Ctrl with K and you can see insert hyperlink. This window will be opened, and here simply you can insert particular hyperlinks in your file. Next is control with L. It is basically used to justify your particular text in Microsoft Word. It is used to left justification. Here you can see I selected this paragraph. And if I press Ctrl with L, it is justified, left justified. Next short key is Ctrl with M. If you are in PowerPoint and you are making slides, if you press while making your slides Ctrl with the M, then it is used to add a new slide in your particular presentation. Next is Ctrl with N. If you are in Microsoft Office, if you press Ctrl N, then it will open a new window of the particular open window. Here I opened the Microsoft Word and I press Ctrl N, then it will open a new Microsoft Word file. If you are in Chrome and press Ctrl N, then it will open a new window. Next is Ctrl with O. While using a particular file in Microsoft, if you press Ctrl plus O, then it will use to open another file while using one file. Here you can see this window is appeared here. I can open any other file while using this file. Next, Control key along with the alphabet P. If I press, then it will open the print option. Here you can apply particular settings and how many copies you want, and just click on this print and your particular selected file will be printed. If you press Ctrl with Q, then it will close the particular window. Next is Ctrl with R. In Chrome, Ctrl with R is used to reload the particular page. Next is Ctrl with S. It is basically used to save the particular work you have done in Microsoft Office. If you press Ctrl S, it will it will save the work you have done. Next is Ctrl with T. In Chrome, Ctrl with T is used to open the new tab. Next is Ctrl with U. Suppose if you want to select, if you want to underline the particular selected text, paragraph or word, then you can use Ctrl key along with the U. Then this selected text will be underlined, and to remove its underline, you can again press Ctrl U. Then this will back to its original position. Next is Ctrl with V. This basically used to paste the copied text file or folder. Before I have said कि Ctrl key along with the C is used to copy the file, folder or text, and the Ctrl plus V is used to paste that copied text file or folder. Here I will show you. I copy this paragraph with Ctrl with C. I want to paste it here, then I can use Ctrl with V. Then you can see my copied text is pasted here. Next is Ctrl with W. If you want to close the particular window opened in your screen, then you can use Ctrl with W. Then you can see this particular window will be closed. I will show you. I open this file explorer and I close this by Ctrl with W. Next is Ctrl with X. This is used to cut the text, image or video. Just select the particular and press Ctrl X. Then this will cut and you can paste it or you can permanently delete it by with Ctrl with D. Last two shortcuts are Ctrl Y and Ctrl Z. First we will see Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is used to undo the task you have done. For example, here you can see if I deleted this episode number 1. But what if I want my deleted episode back or I want to undo my task? I can just press Ctrl along with Z. Here you can see I pressed Ctrl along with Z and my deleted episode is back to its original position. Next is Ctrl Y. Ctrl Y is used to redo the task you have just undone. For example, here I deleted my episode number 1 and after deleting I pressed Ctrl Z so that my deleted episode is back to its original position. And again if I want to delete this episode, I can press Ctrl Y. You can see again my episode is deleted. So Ctrl Z is used to undo the task you have done and Ctrl Y is used to redo the task you have just undone. So friends, these were all the key shortcuts of Ctrl key from Ctrl A to Ctrl Z. I hope it will be very useful for you. If you really like the video, please click on like button and share the video as much as you can. So keep watching for more videos. Thanks for watching.